Once upon a time, in the magical land of Disney, Mickey Mouse, the beloved mascot, woke up with a sparkle in his eyes. It was a special day because he had planned a surprise for all his friends in the clubhouse. Mickey hurried to get ready, putting on his iconic red shorts and yellow shoes. He dashed out of his house and made his way to the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, where he knew his friends would be eagerly waiting. As Mickey entered the clubhouse, he found Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Goofy, and Pluto all gathered around, wondering what the surprise could be. Mickey grinned from ear to ear, knowing that his friends were in for a treat. With excitement in his voice, Mickey announced, "Friends, today we are going on a grand adventure to the magical kingdom. We'll ride roller coasters, meet princesses, and have the most wonderful time together." The clubhouse erupted with cheers and applause. Mickey had planned a trip to the Disneyland theme park, where dreams come true. They all hopped aboard the clubhouse rocket, a special rocket ship that could take them anywhere they wanted to go. Zooming through the sky, the clubhouse rocket soared over tall mountains and vast oceans until it reached the magnificent Disneyland castle. The friends landed safely and stepped out, mesmerized by the enchanting atmosphere. Mickey led his friends through the park, where they rode thrilling attractions like Space Mountain and sailed on the Pirates of the Caribbean. They met princesses, had their pictures taken with beloved Disney characters, and even enjoyed a parade filled with music and dancing. Throughout the day, Mickey and his friends laughed, played, and created memories they would cherish forever. As the sun began to set, they gathered near the castle to watch a magical fireworks display. Bursting with colors and lights, the fireworks painted the sky and filled everyone's hearts with joy. As the grand finale approached, Mickey held hands with his friends, feeling grateful for the love and friendship they shared. They made a promise to continue having adventures and making dreams come true, just like they did that day. With the fireworks illuminating the night sky, Mickey Mouse and his friends stood together, knowing that their bond would last a lifetime. It was a day they would never forget, a day filled with magic,